As a volunteer here at Ashland Christian Health Center, I was asked to help archive physical documents and place them in a modern database for storage. It was our final day of scanning that had the greatest impact on me. The final drawer contained the files of our deceased clients. I remember opening that very first folder, and inside right on top was a copy of their obituary. It was neatly cut out, it was almost reverently placed in the folder, and I recall thinking to myself, how much love somebody must have had to take the time to gather the stories of our clients that had passed and place them in each one of their folders. As I read each one of those obituaries, I just stopped for a minute and said a prayer for their spirit and their families.
My journey of archiving was a little different than yours. I've been able to volunteer at the center for over 10 years now. So many of those names were familiar to me. But it wasn't until that last day also for me that the emotions began to come as I realized I won't check this patient in anymore. I won't have a conversation with them here in this waiting room. I won't see them in our community. It was good to read their story and to realize they have lives outside these walls, and it was thinking about from the very beginning the prayer that we've asked God to use Ashland Christian Health Center several ways to serve these patients who are underinsured and uninsured, and to be able to show them the love of Christ. And I realized He's been answering that again and again as people have trusted us with their lives to come inside these walls and become our patients. That's a great privilege. It's been very good.
It truly has.
One afternoon as I was volunteering here, a family came with a large donation of medical equipment and supplies. As a rule, when these donations come in, I know that someone doesn't need them anymore, and that usually means a loss. I listened to their story about their father's passing and what he meant to them. I made it a point to give specific ways their donations would help people, and they were so pleased. They said their father would be so pleased to help this way because he was that kind of a man. Listening to this story and many others as I serve takes me away from my task-oriented self to why I am really here at Ashland Christian Health Center, to serve others the way Jesus would.